This is Keshav. I'm happy to announce that our one of student she got placed recently. She'll share some experience.
So I joined PySpiders in the month of June. I got training on Python full stack development. Python was handled by Keshav sir. It was very good because I come from EEE branch, that is electrical and electronics, which was tough for us to learn about Python and all. So it was very easy for us as sir handled it very nicely. And for us, SQL was taken by Murali sir and web technologies was taken by Mashankar sir. And bootcamp and mock interviews helped me a lot during preparation of for the interviews and all.
Okay, Ryan, congratulations and all the best.